friends, so I'm back with another video. Let's start for today. The first question is difference between these terms CMC and CMS. CMC is your central management console. It is a web-based tool which can be accessed using a URL, and it is used by admins to manage day-to-day admin activities. CMS is Central Management Server. It is the main server which manages all other platform services. CMS also has its own database, that is CMS database. What are options we are using most frequently in CMC? So in CMC, in day-to-day activities, we use users and groups, access levels, instance manager, servers, then promotion management, then access levels, universes, connections, auditing and monitoring. These are the main options that are used in day-to-day basis. What are client tools? Client tools are used to create reports and manage BO platform. So client tools are basically of two types. First is your desktop client tools, and second is your web-based client tools. Desktop client tools, they doesn't come with the BO installation, and you have to install separately using a client tools installation. And desktop client tools can only be installed on a Windows operating system. And for the client tools, desktop client tools examples are information design tool, universe design tool, then there is a report conversion tool, web intelligence rich client, then query as a web service designer, and many more. What are web-based client tools? Web-based client tools are they are supported using web application server, and you can access them using a web browser like BI Launchpad, Central Management Console, like that. And these doesn't need to be installed separately. It directly comes with the BO platform installation. Which client tools you have worked upon? So you should know this, that what are client tools you are using in your day-to-day project experience. Main are your BI Launchpad, CMC, universe design tool or information design tool, then your report conversion tool. These are the main types of client tools. Which databases are used in BO? So in BO, the main databases are your reporting database, which contains your the main metadata, your main financial data on which the reporting is done. So that is your reporting databases. Then there is your CMS database, then auditing database, and then there is a trending DB database. Trending DB database is for monitoring database. So these four types of databases are there.